Peyton Adams here, SUU enthusiast and alumni. You know, it was SUU's unique approach to student success that led me to find success in my own career.
The hands-on experience and one-on-one mentoring that I received helped me find my dream job while I was still a student.
And there's so much that is special and unique about SUU that I'd need a full day to cover it all.
SUU is a special place because I think it gives rural kids like me a perfect launching pad for heading out into the world with a great education.
And those opportunities were the springboard that led to every measure of success that I enjoy today.
Some of the great qualities about Southern Utah University, which affected me personally, is that it offered an online master's program, which not only allowed me to get my master's, but in a field that was unique to other schools.
I love SUU and the personal touch it provides to every student, faculty, and staff member on campus.
SUU is special because it's like being part of a family.
What do I love about SUU? Well, it's the people, it's the campus, the friendly, warm family atmosphere.
Have that support system behind them and all around them that will help them achieve their goals. Not too many places like that exist, but SUU is one of them.
Southern Utah University is special because it takes the young men and young women from the small towns and cities from across Utah and gives them big opportunities.
What makes SUU so special are the wonderful, caring faculty and staff found in the communication department and the small class sizes.
SUU is special to me because of the giants that shaped my life and taught me things that will live with me forever.
SUU will always be home to me. That's why it's special, and that's why it's unique.
Now living far away across the big pond from where you now sit, SUU has never left me.
We really think the sky's the limit for the future of our fabulous university here in Cedar City.
It is my hope that SUU can hold on to that special spirit that makes everyone on campus feel like they are known and part of something great.
What I hope for the university's future is continued growth in the international programs.
My hope for the future of Southern Utah University is that it continues to push the boundaries of education, continues to innovate and inspire.
I hope that the university can one day expand and become a prime option and a source of academia for international students.
Connections are so important as part of our history.
We're entering the next 125 years of the university.
At the helm is going to be someone who knows firsthand what great things that SUU has to offer.
Who better to lead SUU into that future than our homegirl, President Mindy Benson? Oh, I think someone else wants to say hi. What's up, Jazz Bear? How are you? Oh, but Mindy for president. You know, Jazz Bear, Mindy is president of USA. Is that an option? I hope so. Yeah. Love you, Mindy. Thanks, Mindy. And cheers to 125 more years at SUU.
We're the Oak Ridge Boys, and we're here today to congratulate our longtime friend and associate, Mindy Benson.
The MB, the Brick House. Congratulations, President Benson.
President Mindy Benson, I am so fired up for you.
Congratulations to Mindy Benson.
Mindy, congratulations.
Congratulations to our Madam President, Mindy Benson.
I don't think I know of anybody who loves SUU as much as Mindy Benson.
Something Mindy and I share in common is our love for community.
The Paiute Indian Tribe of Utah congratulates the newly elected 17th SUU President, Mindy Benson.
President Benson, I would like to congratulate you on your appointment and for being the first female president of Southern Utah University. Congratulations.
You are mighty mighty. Just let it all hang out as you lead us to the next level of our beloved SUU.
I hope all you T-Birds keep soaring high. President Benson, everyone here at the College Tour wishes you and SUU all the best. You all have truly created something extremely special on campus.
The future of SUU is in fantastic hands.
You couldn't be blessed with a better leader, a better president, a better captain for this voyage.
We love you guys, we love SUU, and we really love Mindy Benson.
We love you, Mama T-Bird.
Godspeed from down under.
Well, as you see, it's time for the show. Gotta go. President Benson, I wish you all the best and rock on.